Forgotten username recovery failed on Petal Card Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your Petal Card username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Petal has moved away from traditional usernames. Today, your registered email or phone number is the key to accessing your account. The surprising truth is that relying on old usernames usually won't work. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Petal app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. This is the fastest way for Petal to identify you securely. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email or phone number, you'll need to verify your identity. Gather your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. Petal uses this to confirm you are the rightful owner. Step 3. After verification, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions carefully and check spam folders if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If standard recovery fails, contact Petal support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts failed and provide the necessary personal information. Their team will guide you safely through the process. Many users mistakenly think losing a username means permanent lockout. In reality, Petal switched to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. By following these steps, you'll quickly regain access. Use your registered email or phone, verify your identity when necessary, and you'll be back managing your Petal card confidently and enjoying all the benefits it offers.